Avoid the cuticle while polishing the nails. It's a bit complicated to avoid the cuticle while polishing the nails, but it is essential. Even expert nail technicians make this mistake once in a while. Nail polish does not stick to the cuticle. Thus, it peels off, taking the nail polish on your nails along with it. Since we know it's hard to avoid the cuticle while polishing the nails, the best thing to do is to clean it up immediately. Dip cotton wool saturated into nail polish remover and swipe across to clean up the polish on the cuticles. Go for short nails. We all love long nails because of how beautiful it looks, but it is prone to chipping. For instance, it can always bump into things when doing chores, thus making it chip faster. Therefore, you should go for short nails, as they do not bump into anything. If you don't like short nails, you can add interesting art and designs to make them more fun and beautiful. Wear gloves while doing chores. Water is one of the enemies of lasting manicures, so to prevent water from touching your nails, wear gloves. Cleaning products also have a way of spoiling your flawless nails. Therefore, wear gloves before you touch any cleaning products. Dry with cool air. Ensuring your nails dry properly is another secret to lasting nail polish without chipping. To dry your nails the right way, make sure you dry them with cool air. For instance, you can use a miniature fan to dry. You can even use a blow dryer. However, when using a blow dryer, make sure you set the heat settings to cool settings. This is because using hot air will expand your nail polish, hence it will not dry properly. Use cuticle oil and hand cream. Keeping your cuticle hydrated is another way of maintaining a lasting nail polish without chipping. To hydrate your cuticle, make sure you use cuticle oil at the base of your nails after a manicure. Besides, when you wash your hands, it gets drier, so use hand cream to hydrate them. Once you follow all tips we mentioned in this video, making nail polish last longer without chipping seems easier. But when you notice that your nail polish is peeling off after a while, it is a sign that you need to visit a manicurist. Let us know in the comments section whether any of these tips work for you. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and we will see you in the next video.